Hi everyone, I'm Deepthi and I'm here to tell you about the amazing Crompton Ameo 750W mixer grinder. This powerful mixer grinder is equipped with a 750W motor and operates on a voltage of 220 to 240 volts. It comes with 3 stainless steel jars of 0.5 liter, 1 liter and 1.5 liter capacity and a juicer jar with lid. The ergonomic handle design ensures a firm grip and the leak-proof lids make it easy to use. The flow breaker jars and motor vent X technology provide enhanced air circulation for better performance. This mixer grinder is perfect for all your grinding and mixing needs. So what are you waiting for? Get your Crompton Ameo 750W mixer grinder today. When it comes to buying a mixer grinder, there are several factors to consider to ensure you get the best product that suits your culinary needs and provides efficient performance. Mixer grinders are versatile kitchen appliances that combine blending, grinding, and mixing functionalities. Here's a comprehensive buying guide to help you make the right choices. Motor power. The motor is the heart of a mixer grinder. Consider the motor power measured in watts to determine the grinder's performance. Higher wattage ensures efficient grinding and handling tough ingredients. Number of jars. Check the number of jars included with the mixer grinder. Different jars serve various purposes such as wet grinding, dry grinding, chutney making and blending. Opt for a model that offers the right combination of jars for your cooking needs. Jar sizes. Consider the sizes of the jars to ensure they meet your family's requirements. Smaller jars are ideal for grinding spices and making chutneys, while larger jars are suitable for blending and grinding larger quantities. Material and build quality. Look for mixer grinders made from durable materials such as stainless steel, which ensures longevity and easy maintenance. High quality materials also prevent corrosion and enhance overall performance. Speed settings. Choose a mixer grinder with multiple speed settings to adjust the grinding speed according to the ingredients being processed. Variable speed options provide better control and prevent overprocessing. Safety features. Safety is crucial in kitchen appliances. Ensure the mixer grinder has safety features like overload protection and locking systems to prevent accidents and motor damage. Noise level. Consider the noise level of the mixer grinder. Look for models with low noise operation to ensure a quieter cooking experience. Ease of cleaning. Opt for a mixer grinder with detachable and easy to clean blades and jars. Dishwasher safe components simplify the cleaning process. By considering these factors, you can choose a mixer grinder that meets your blending and grinding needs, provides efficient performance, and enhances your culinary experience. Happy shopping!